In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mailing list in Gmail. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to streamline their email communication, whether you're managing a small business, organizing a family event, or simply staying in touch with a group of friends. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to set up, maintain, and effectively use a mailing list within Gmail, making group communication a breeze. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account and have Gmail open in your browser. Familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't already. On the left-hand side of the Gmail screen, you should see the Compose button. Just beneath it, click on the Mail tab and select Contacts. This will take you to Google Contacts, which is the hub for managing your mailing lists. Once you're in the Contacts page, look for the option that says Create Label on the left-hand side. Labels in Google Contacts act like groups. Click on this option to create a new label, which will effectively become your mailing list. Give your label a name that clearly represents the group of contacts you'll be corresponding with, like Marketing Team or Family Reunion 2023. This way, you can instantly recognize the context of the mailing list in your future communications. Next, it's time to add people to your mailing list. You can do this in a few ways, but the simplest is to manually select contacts. As you hover over each contact, you'll see a checkbox appear next to their name. Check the box of each contact you want to add, making sure to find all the relevant people in your list. Once you've selected the desired contacts, click on the Manage Labels icon at the top of the page. This icon looks like a label or tag. From the drop-down menu, choose the label you created earlier. The system will automatically associate these contacts with your new mailing list. Now that you've created a mailing list and added contacts to it, let's see how you can send an email to this group. Navigate back to Gmail, click on the Compose button to start a new email. In the To field, begin typing the name of the label you created. Gmail will auto-suggest the label. Click on it, and voila! All the contacts within that label will appear in the recipient field, ready for you to compose your message. Remember to maintain your mailing list by regularly updating it, adding new contacts, and removing those who should no longer be part of the group. This ensures your communication remains efficient and up to date. That's it for setting up a mailing list in Gmail. With this tool at your disposal, you can enhance your email management, keep your communication organized, and stay connected with ease. Be sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching today, and happy emailing.